In this video, I will show you how to view your YouTube watch history. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up YouTube on your device. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to view your YouTube watch history for. Then what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. Now, what that's going to do is take you across to your YouTube profile page. On here, you're going to see at the top, we've got this history section. And if we go ahead and press view all, we can actually go ahead and look at our entire YouTube watch history. There is a search box at the top, so you can use this if there's anything in particular that you're looking for. And also what you can do is remove things from your watch history by simply clicking onto the three dots next to the video you want to remove. You're going to see a menu come up with an option to remove from watch history. So that's how to view your YouTube watch history. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.